Hey, it's Jim Paar here, and we're going to show you how to go live in your private Facebook group because everybody's asking. I've done several videos, and things change in Facebook all the time, like every single month now. But this is a new updated video, so watch this video. We're going to run through it real quick with you. So we're in my Facebook profile. It's important not to go into your Facebook group, but go into your just your personal Facebook profile. And once you're in here, you're going to go ahead and click on, you could do live video or just click on this like you're going to do a post. You're going to open this up and you're going to click live video. So it's probably going to walk you through some steps like this. And you can just X out of this, but it'll just say what it recommends. And it'll say use camera, create post, customize your live videos. So they have a new live video editor that is pretty cool in here. So Facebook's improved things. But here's the important thing that you need to know. Right over here is post to timeline. So if I don't do anything, this is going to go public. It's going to go to my personal timeline, and that's not what I want. We want to send it to our Facebook group. So I'm going to go in here. You could go to a page that you manage and go live, which is really cool if you're a business, or you can post in a private group. So I'm just going to go to one of the private groups, which I've got tons of them, and we'll just jump into this Up to Par Academy paid members only, or we'll go down to, I should have grabbed one earlier, but we'll go into this one for paid members only, because that's what people want to do, is they want to go in and be able to do a live to their paid or their membership people. So we're in here again. It's going to ask you, welcome to Live Producer. Just X out of that stuff because you already seen it once. Now it says right over here, post in group. So you can put a title in here, just practice live. And we'll just remember it's in the Up to Par Academy. So I can open up another browser window, and I'll do that real quick right now. And just so that we can double check and make sure it is actually working. So I'm just going to pause this real quick and we'll open that up so we can prove it works. So we've got this up. This is the way the page looks, May 6th. I'm going to minimize that right now and continue putting a title. And then maybe you want to say something, welcome to the webinar, or welcome to whatever you're doing in fitness and whatever business you're in, consulting, and you're just going to simply go live. So I'll go ahead and click go live. It's counting down in the corner here, and all of a sudden we'll see another dashboard here. As it loads, it's going to be a little bit on the lag side right now because it's using my other stuff right now. So we are live right now, and if I go in here, I can see my video. That's me, the bald guy, right here, and I've got my camera up there. This is the way it looks. This is the chat over here, and if we open up this window now and refresh it, we see a little bit of a lag, but Jim Paar is live now in this particular group. Now, if I went to my personal page, it is not going to show me live on that page. Let's hope not. So it's not live, and so we know that it's working, and that is how you go live in a Facebook group in 2021 and hopefully 2022. So appreciate you guys watching. If you have any comments, leave them below. I always answer them. hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to reach 5,000 subscribers, so I greatly appreciate it. And if you have any questions or need help, go to parmediagroup.com, PAAR or jimpar.com. So take care. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos on marketing.